Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Children. I hope you're safe and well today. I'm delighted to join by Freya Royan, who is the conference producer for Spatial Biology, which is running next week in London from March the 18th to 19th. So we are going to preview the event and learn more about the event and why you should be there. So Freya, Freya, how are you, first of all?
Good, thank you. I'm all right. How are you?
Oh, very well. Thank you very much. Now I can see you're in the Oxford Global offices. Because other
Mm.
people have interviewed at Oxford Global all been working from home, so you're the unlucky one. I had to go in today.
Ah.
All right. So first question for you is, tell me more about spatial biology. What's the event about, and who is it targeting?
Perfect. Yeah. So this event is our fourth annual Spatial Biology Congress in the UK,
Yeah.
and it acts as a crucial component of Oxford Global's omics brand that is designed to kind of connect the key scientific leaders who are shaping the future of multi-omics research, especially within our spatial space. The Spatial Biology Congress itself originated kind of as part of our flagship Next Genomics event. And it kind of evolved into its own dedicated space for kind of exploring and discussing the latest innovations and applications of spatial multi-omics space technologies, approaches, and applications. So for 2024, we are introducing some kind of new and exciting topic areas to the program. These include things like AI, digital pathology, and pharmaceutical development as well. So kind of on site, we're aiming to have kind of over 250 attendees who are all kind of representing a diverse range of expertise. We have leading academic institutions represented, as well as kind of pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies as well. So this event kind of serves as a unique opportunity for kind of collaborative engagement on key topics from across the field.
Fantastic. Now, um, obviously you've been putting the program together. So what are some of the hot trends and topics that you've seen as you've put the program together?
Yeah, so I mean, one of the most compelling trends in the past year has really been the diversification of omics types, kind of utilized in conjunction with spatial biology. So, kind of to reflect these expanding areas of study at this event, we kind of have discussions not only on kind of transcriptomics, but also proteomics and metabolomics as well, and kind of have the space to delve into their wide range of different kind of therapeutic applications. And particularly, another thing that I've come across while producing the event is that kind of over the past year, spatial biology kind of techniques and approaches have witnessed really increasing levels of integration into pharmaceutical companies and translational drug research. And this is really testament to its kind of continual development and optimization of its technologies and platforms, particularly over the last few years. And as such, we have kind of a much increased industry presence on the program for 2024. We have an entire track dedicated to spatial biology in pharma and translational drug development, where attendees will really get the opportunity to hear from some of the industry leaders who are using spatial biology to further their research, which is something quite new and exciting for the field. And then kind of finally, the last kind of noteworthy technology trend in the last year, which kind of runs across the board in terms of kind of scientific research, is this kind of ascension of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And kind of it's firmly established itself as a part of spatial biology this year. And we kind of have introduced a new track for this year, which is really been focused in on AI, and particularly within imaging and digital pathology. So yeah,
Right.
that's kind of my big three in terms of new
All right.
developments for this year.
Fantastic. Well, look, you talked about one of the tracks already. So,
Mhm.
what are the tracks that you've got coming up next week, and who are some of the key speakers?
Yeah, so in terms of tracks, this year we have kind of four distinct tracks, which will cover kind of over 60 industry insights, sponsored presentations, and interactive sessions, which kind of together offer a real wealth of opportunities for engagement. These tracks are, first and foremost, our spatial multi-omics techniques and approaches track. We also have the one that I mentioned just now, the spatial biology in pharma and translational drug research. And then on day two, is where we move into this image analysis, AI-powered imaging, and digital pathology for spatial biology track, which is kind of combined with our bioinformatics and data analytics for interpretation area of focus as well. And then the final track on day two is our applications of spatial research and technologies in biology. And then in for key speakers. Some of our key speakers for this event include Andreas Spitzmüller, who is the Director of Spatial Data Science at AstraZeneca. So we're very excited to have him speaking on the characterization of cellular interaction patterns by investigating spatial proximity. We also have Wei-Ting Chen, who is Head of Discovery at Muna Therapeutics, and she will be exploring how spatial techniques can help us to understand cellular resistance to Alzheimer's disease. And then we also have Stefan Kemper, who's the group leader and head of integrative metabolomics and proteomics at MDC Berlin. And he will be discussing the best strategies to analyze spatial metabolic regulation. So we have lots going on and some really great speakers on the program.
Fantastic. Now, apart from the talks, which obviously sound fantastic, who or what else are you doing to engage the delegates and get them to interact with each other and the speakers and the exhibitors and so on?
Yeah, so we have plenty of interactive sessions to get involved with across the 2 days of the event. We are featuring panel discussions and workshops on key topics in the field throughout the 2 days. And these include kind of sessions on the topics of kind of addressing the future needs of spatial omics. So this very forward thinking, where is the industry heading? How do we get there? As well as really capitalizing on this pharma development with a panel on kind of spatial biology in pharma research, as well as kind of tagging on to this digital kind of innovation with a workshop really looking at kind of how these digital innovations are affecting proteome analysis and bringing together the fields of digital pathology and spatial biology. We also this year have a real emphasis on networking at our events, kind of as standard, with dedicated breaks, networking breaks to connect with peers and leading solution providers on site. We will also be having a drinks reception at the end of day one, which always brings a nice atmosphere kind of halfway through the event, a little celebration at the end of the first day. So yeah.
Fantastic. And how much of the content, if any, is available digitally either during the event or post-event?
Yeah, so as we've kind of come out of the pandemic now, our events are back to being fully in person. Though if attendees did want to kind of catch up on content after the event, this is available to them, through our Plus Pass membership. This is just an annual membership program designed to help life science professionals to overcome scientific challenges by providing access to high-level information, events, and key experts in the field so they can reach their research goals faster. Part of this is we have built a custom platform where these on-demand presentations are housed across from all of our events, so not just Spatial UK, so that members have a wealth of knowledge at their fingertips. Members can also connect with our global community, as well as have access to kind of the year-long wealth of knowledge and entry into our content library, plus a variety of interactive features such as webinars and online sessions as well.
Great. So, final question. People are watching this going, yeah, that sounds really interesting, but I'm still not sure if I should be attending. For those people who are still undecided, why should they be at Spatial Biology next week?
Okay, so yeah, our Spatial Biology Congress is one of the key platforms for any attendee to discover the latest developments in spatial technologies, approaches, and applications. We've created really a tailor-made event for people in the life sciences industry who are interested in these things. Every year, we're immensely proud of what we create and would love to kind of share this with as many people as possible. So even if you're kind of just remotely interested in this field, there is no better place to learn more than from the leading figures in spatial research that we have joining us.
All right, Freya, well done. Thank you very much for giving me that overview. So there you go, viewers. If you're interested in spatial biology, involved in any shape or way, or would like to learn more, click on the link above the video and you will learn more about the agenda and you can register there. And if you've got any questions for Freya, drop them on a comment below the video. I'm sure she'll be happy to answer them. And hopefully I will see you in person next week at Spatial Biology as well. So Freya, it's lovely to see you. Happy build up. Good luck with all the pre-event planning and so on. And I'll hopefully see you in person. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.